What's up guys, today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's tree kicker style Nerf bars on this Can-Am Maverick X3, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is come inside of the machine, flip our seat cushion up. Ours is torn, so it just removes completely. So you're going to see you have a hole here as well as a hole here. You want to adjust your seat until you can gain access to the 18mm bolts down inside it, or nuts down inside of here. Gonna remove our hardware here. Pull the bolts out. Now we're gonna remove our bolt that secures our seat belt to our seat. It'll be a 16mm bolt. Once you get your hardware loosened up, just go ahead and remove the bolt and grab the seat belt. Just pull it through the seat, let it sit over here out of the way, and we're going to grab our seat and remove it from the machine. Alright, so for this next part here, what we're going to be doing is drilling through our side panel. On your side panel, you should have factory indentions. On this machine, we already have had Nerf bars installed, so the plastic's already drilled. If you look at this picture here, you'll see what the factory indention should look like. You want to take an 1 3/4 hole saw, put the drill bit in the center of the indention, and drill through the plastic. You'll want to do this now. So now what you're going to do is grab your curved washers as well as your M10 bolts. We're going to utilize the curved washer on each side of the factory tube. So it'll be something like this around the tube, and then your bolt's going to go through your first curved washer, through the factory frame tube, through the other curved washer, and then into the Nerf bar. Alright, so what I like to do is go ahead and take one of my curved washers, slide it onto my bolt, and we're going to slide it through this hole in the frame right here. And then on the other side of the tube, we'll take another curved washer, install it just like so. So now all we have to do is take our Nerf bar, lay it up here, and then thread our hardware into the Nerf bar. So we're just going to take our Nerf bar, line it up with our holes. Now we're going to do the same thing, curved washer. Line up our other curved washer on the other side of the tube. Slide it through. Line it up. I like to just get it started good. And we're not fully tightening anything yet, we're just getting everything started. Alright, so for the front portion of the Nerf bar, you're going to have a hole in your factory skid plate. So what you're going to do is slide your bolt through the tube with your curved washer, and you're going to come to the top side and reach in, slide your curved washer onto the threads on the other side of the tube, just as you've done for the rest of the fastening points for the Nerf bar. So what you're going to do is take your curved washer, slide your hand right into this area here, run your hand down the tube until you can feel the head or the threads of the bolt sticking through. Pull your Nerf bar back just enough in order to slide the curved washer down into position, or the threads of the bolt sticking through. Pull your Nerf bar back just enough in order to slide the curved washer down into position. Slide your bolt through the curved washer And then you're gonna line your Nerf bar up to where you can get your threads, or get your bolt threaded in. So once you have your hardware started, we're gonna move to the rear and fasten the rest of the Nerf bar to the tube on the machine. So now we're gonna grab our right side bracket, because we are working on the passenger side. We're gonna take it just like this, slide it down. We wanna make sure that the hole lines up with the threads on the Nerf bar. And we're gonna grab our 12mm bolt. So we're just gonna wanna get this bolt hand started. We're gonna take our U-bolts. Gonna wrap right around the tube of the frame. Like that. Take our nylock nuts. Get them started. Let's get our nuts started here as well. Then what we're gonna do is go through and fully tighten all of our hardware. So once you went through, fully tightened all your hardware, all you're gonna do is repeat the same exact steps for the opposite side, and that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's tree kicker style Nerf bars on this Can-Am Maverick X3. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.